Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. This video is related to Cognizant Gen Z Phase 2 exam result date and the expected cutoff. As we know that many candidates completed the communication assessment, aptitude assessment and finally the technical assessment. Let's discuss about the aptitude tech exam cutoff and what about the Gen Z Phase 2 result date. In the video we will discuss about everything. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. I created one playlist for all of you in which everything is present, okay, from starting preparation to end preparation, like Cognizant Gen Z technical interview mail, exam result, exam cutoff, okay, interview question for Gen Z, Gen Z Pro, Gen Z Next, okay, so no need to worry about that. This is the phase 2 video. So one most important point in the phase 1, those candidates who got the interview survey, what about their performance? So you can see on my screen. Good afternoon sir, in technical exam I solved 2 SQL, 2 Java, 1 HTML, means complete technical MCQs, complete technical assessment is solved and my performance in aptitude is average. Will I get interview mail? Candidate got the interview survey from Cognizant. Very good evening sir, my performance communication moderate, aptitude score 23 plus, gaming 6 level, 11, 23, 21 level, technical 2 SQL, 2 questions plus 1 C sharp, okay, and done with HTML CSS, means total 4 question is solved out of 5. Part is there any chances to select for Gen Z role at Cognizant? I choose cluster 2 but I got cluster 3. Candidate got the interview survey from the Cognizant team. So the main important point that I have to mention, how you perform in the communication assessment, aptitude assessment and the technical assessment, this will determine your selection, okay. This will determine that you will receive the interview survey mail or not. According to your performance in 3 of the assessment, they will send the interview survey mail, and some of the other parameters also they are considering, but they not disclosed, okay. So you have to perform very well in your examination. Let's discuss about the Cognizant second phase exam result expected date. One most important point in the first phase, this is the exam date, like on March for communication assessment, aptitude on 5th on 6th March and the technical assessment on 7th March. And just after 7 days, 1 week, first phase exam result is declared, okay, on the 14th March, and I uploaded video on 14th March. Cognizant technical interview mail, Cognizant Gen Z interview update, fill survey form, Cognizant off campus eligible for in-person technical interview, means in the 7 days of timeline we are receiving the result update. Same for the second phase. This is the second phase exam date, March 13 or 17th is the aptitude, yesterday is communication assessment, today is technical assessment, and finally we will receive the result by 25 to 26 March if we consider the previous trend, okay. Like in the within next 7 days we are receiving the result from the Cognizant team. That is very important, okay. This is just a expected timelines, totally depends on Cognizant team कि थोड़े दिन और लग सकते हैं या उससे पहले भी रिजल्ट आ सकता है, okay. Let's discuss about the Cognizant exam expected cutoff. First of all, mention in comment section, okay, mention in comment section how was your aptitude exam, okay, how you perform in technical exam, like how many question you solved in aptitude, how many question you solved in the technical exam, okay. It will very helpful for us, okay. Like one most important point, communication assessment is the first round, second is aptitude technical assessment, and after that you will shortlisted for one of the role, that is offline technical interview, Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro and Gen Z, and after that letter of intent LOI is there. Guys, the offline technical interview means you have to take your laptop to Cognizant office, okay. लाइक आपको अपना लैपटॉप कॉग्निजेंट ऑफिस पे ले जाना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू लॉग इन टू सुपरसेट पोर्टल बिकॉज योर इंटरव्यू विल रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द सुपरसेट, ओके. योर इंटरव्यू विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन सुपरसेट और ये इंटरव्यू भी आपका सुपरसेट पे होगा थ्रू योर लैपटॉप, but it is at the Cognizant office. That's why it is called the offline technical interview. And one thing that I have to mention, it is mandatory to appear for communication, aptitude and technical assessment to be eligible for technical interview. सो ये तीनों मैंडेटरी हैं और वो तीनों देखेंगे कि आपने मीन्स तीनों असेसमेंट को अटेम्प्ट करा है कि नहीं करा है. प्लीज नोट, इफ सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट विल ज्वाइन एज फ्रेशर एंड नो प्रायर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस विल बी कंसिडर्ड, ओके. दिस इज द थिंग that is related to a Cognizant exam, okay. One most important point, let's discuss about, okay, in the communication assessment how they are checking your cutoff. द इन द कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर कट ऑफ, ये वो चेक कर सकते हैं। जैसे ग्रामर सेक्शन था तो उसमें देखेंगे कितने क्वेश्चंस आपने सॉल्व करे हैं। रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग था तो उसमें आपने सही से पढ़ा है और लिसन करके बोला है, रिकॉर्ड किया है। ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन था कॉम्प्रहेंशन वाला। सो कॉम्प्रहेंशन वाले सेक्शन में वो देखेंगे कि आपने कितने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर सही किए हैं। एंड एक नेक्स्ट सेक्शन था स्पीक ऑन टॉपिक, उसमें आपकी क्या फ्लुएंसी थी, आपने टॉपिक के बारे में कैसे बोला, वो ये देख सकते हैं। दिस इज रिलेटेड टू कम्युनिकेशन। बट इन द एप्टीट्यूड एग्जामिनेशन, एज वी नो दैट एप्टीट्यूड एग्जाम टाइम इज 80 minutes, 2 sections are there, quants and game based aptitude, 30 question 30 minutes for quant and 4 section 9 minutes per section for game based assessment. And this is the 4 parts of game based: deductive reasoning, switch challenge, gap challenge, complex planning capability, motion challenge, and inductive reasoning CLX. Okay, so in the aptitude assessment, if I'm talking about the particular quant cutoff, okay, quant examination, so the most expected cutoff is 14 to 20 question. Okay, if we see the previous trend, but if you solve the 20 to 25 or 25 plus questions correct, so there is a high chances that you cleared the cutoff or you are at the safer side. Okay, and in the gamified assessment, in the game based assessment, हाउ मैनी लेवल यू सॉल्व, ओके, कि कितनी लेवल्स आपने पास की है। इसीलिए दैट्स द रीजन, ओके, ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैंडिडेट एप्टीट्यूड परफॉर्मेंस इज एवरेज, performance is average, but he performed very well in technical assessment, that's why he got the interview survey. And here candidate only solve 4 questions in the technical examination, but the aptitude performance 23 plus question is correct, and the gaming in the game based assessment most of the level is passed. Okay, so that's why मैंने क्या कहा, 20 क्वेश्चंस या 20 से 25 या 25 प्लस क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट है, देयर इज अ हाई चांसेस दैट यू क्लियर द कट ऑफ, बट द कट ऑफ विल बी राइज इन बिटवीन दिस। अब हमें पता है कि कैंडिडेट ने 23 प्लस क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट करें, ओके, और गेम बेस्ड एप्टीट्यूड में भी उन्होंने 6, 11, 23, 21 लेवल्स को पास किया है टोटल 4 सेक्शन में। सो कैंडिडेट गॉट द अपडेट। ओके, so you have to perform very well in aptitude assessment. Okay, they will check how you perform in the quant section, how you perform in the gamified assessment, like how many level you passed. Okay, one most important point, cutoff depends on various factor, guys. Cutoff is not singly depend on the performance of examination. Cutoff depends on multiple factor, like how many number of open position seats are there, what is the difficulty level, high level, low cutoff. Okay, sectional and overall cutoff are there, aptitude and tech assessment. Okay, like they are checking aptitude का पूरा वो परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे, एप्टीट्यूड के भी सेक्शंस देखेंगे कि गेम बेस में कैसे किया है, कॉन्ट बेस में कैसा परफॉर्म किया है, इन द टेक्निकल असेसमेंट वो सारी चीज़ें देखेंगे, एसक्यूएल में कैसा परफॉर्म किया है, कोडिंग क्वेश्चन में कैसा परफॉर्म किया है। सो दे आर चेकिंग ओवरऑल कट ऑफ एंड सेक्शनल कट ऑफ, एंड कट ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू रोल वाइज, जेंसी नेक्स्ट एंड जेंसी प्रो। ओके, like according to Gen-C Pro and Gen-C Next, cutoff will varies. Let's discuss about the tech examination cutoff. As we know that there are cluster 1, cluster 2 and cluster 3 guys. Okay, cluster 1 is by default. Okay, question total 5 questions are there. Java 2 coding question, SQL 2 question, HTML CSS 1 question, total 5 question. In cluster 2, Python 2 coding questions are there, SQL 2 question and cloud MCQ 10. Okay, and in cluster 3, C# 2 coding question, SQL 2 question means 4, and HTML CSS JS 1 question, total 5. Okay, so this is the pattern for the particular cluster. But in the technical assessment, guys, there are multiple condition for the cutoff. Okay, and it is according to cluster wise. Suppose you have allocated cluster 1, so cluster 1 के हिसाब से allocated हुआ है तो कट ऑफ उस हिसाब से चेक किया जाएगा, cluster 2 का अलग से, cluster 3 का अलग से। Suppose you done the 2 coding question, 2 SQL and 1 HTML CSS done, so there is a high chances of Gen-C Next interview mail if your aptitude performance is very good. Okay, if your aptitude performance is very good, so there is a high chances of Gen-C Next because आपने सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया है with all the test cases. One most important point in the upper section, मैंने आपको बताया कैंडिडेट ने 2 क्वेश्चन किए, SQL के 2 जावा के कर दिए एंड 1 HTML के कर दिए 5 क्वेश्चन, एंड द एप्टीट्यूड इज एवरेज. ओके, एंड ही रिसीव्ड द इंटरव्यू सर्वे mail. Still we not like confirmed about for which role candidate is selected, but candidate received the interview survey mail. So suppose your performance is very good, according to this there is a high chances of Gen Z Next interview mail. Suppose you solve 1 to 1.5 coding question. If you solve the 1 to 2 SQL done and HTML CSS is done, there is a Gen Z Pro interview call. Okay, for the Gen Z Pro, at least they will check how many coding question you solve. At least you solve the 1 question or 1.5 question, and SQL question they are also checking, HTML CSS they are also checking. Similarly, if you solve no coding question, suppose first question भी नहीं solve किया, second question भी नहीं solve किया, if you solve the 2 SQL done correctly and HTML CSS is done, is there any chances of Gen Z interview call? So according to the previous trend, those candidates who not solve any of the coding question, they received the Gen Z interview call. But guys, again it will totally depends on Cognizant team. One most important point, they will check how you perform in aptitude, how you perform in technical assessment, how you perform in communication assessment. Then they will send the Gen Z mail. Okay, totally depends on Cognizant team. Suppose you solve with the 2 coding question, no SQL done, HTML CSS done, so there is a chances of which interview call. Suppose you solve with the 2 coding question, 1 SQL and HTML CSS is done, chances of which interview call. So there are multiple condition, okay, multiple condition that is arise. But the thing is how you perform in aptitude assessment, communication assessment and technical assessment. They will allocate you on the basis of marks. ओके आपने एप्टीट्यूड में कितने मार्क्स स्कोर करे हैं, टेक्निकल असेसमेंट में कितने मार्क्स स्कोर करे हैं, और उनके हिसाब से जेंसी के लिए इतने मार्क्स चाहिए होते हैं, जेंसी प्रो के लिए इतने मार्क्स चाहिए होते हैं, जेंसी नेक्स्ट के लिए इतने मार्क्स चाहिए होते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर अ एग्जाम्पल कि आप मार्क्स के बेसिस पे समझ पाएं. ओके, एंड सेम फॉर द cluster 2. Okay, suppose you solve the 2 coding question, 2 SQL, 10 MCQ with correct all MCQ और aptitude भी अच्छा किया है, communication भी अच्छा किया है, so there is a chances of Gen Z Next. Okay, similarly आपने 1 से 1.5 coding किया है तो Gen Z Pro के आने के chances है. Okay, similarly cluster 3 के लिए भी ये applicable होगा. So guys, this is all about the Cognizant, and I already uploaded one video of Cognizant interview question. No need to worry about that. Everything I shared on our channel for free. I hope you like the video, and I am waiting for your interview survey mail. So you have to prepare for interview and you have to crack the opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.